In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Mailchimp email. If you've ever wanted to showcase a product demo, a webinar clip, or a quick tutorial right inside your newsletter, this simple process will help you do it cleanly and professionally. All you need is a public link to your video. Think YouTube, Vimeo, or a video hosted on your site, and a Mailchimp email you're ready to edit. Start by going to Edit Your Email in Mailchimp. Open the campaign or template you're working on so you're looking at the email builder. This is where you control your layout, text, and media. Make sure you have your video's URL handy because you'll paste it in shortly. On the left pane, you will see Content Elements. This panel is your toolkit. You'll find familiar blocks like text, image, button, and, importantly for us today, the video block. Mailchimp designed this specifically to make adding a video link effortless while keeping your email layout consistent. Drag and drop the video block to the email and position it where you want it to appear. You can place it beneath a headline, between text sections, or at the end of your message, wherever it best supports your story. As you move it around, you'll see guidelines that help you align it neatly with the rest of your content. Once added, click on it to select it and select Add URL. This opens the field where you tell Mailchimp where your video lives. Now paste the video URL, and there you go. Mailchimp will automatically generate a clickable thumbnail with a play icon. When your subscribers click it, they'll be taken to the video on its hosting platform, which is how most modern email clients handle video. That's normal. True embedded playback isn't widely supported in inboxes, so this approach gives you the best deliverability and user experience. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Use a video that's publicly accessible so your audience isn't blocked by permissions. Choose a hosting service that loads quickly, since a smooth viewing experience encourages more engagement. Keep your email copy around the video short and clear, so readers understand what they'll see when they click. And make sure your subject line and preview text set the right expectation for the content inside. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've added a professional, clickable video preview to your Mailchimp email that drives viewers straight to your content.